Good afternoon, my name is Ian. Welcome back to Nomad Crib. Today, we're back in Medellin to take a look at a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment with beautiful appliances, even a built-in coffee maker. Let's go take a look. All right, let's go. Okay, as you can see, they've finished renovating it. They've done a beautiful job with the walls. It's like a concrete stucco mix. It's really nice how they've done it. So here you have your bathroom at the entrance. This would be the social bathroom. As I said, a really spacious living room. And an amazing kitchen. Complete with a gas stove. 5-burner gas stove and a built-in oven with a built-in coffee maker also. Actually, I think that's a microwave. Generous sized deck. This apartment has air conditioning in the bedrooms, but I'm sure up here you would get a really nice breeze. And amazing views of the city. This neighborhood is called Lalinde. It is only a couple blocks away from restaurants and bars, and about 4 blocks away is the entertainment district of Parque Lleras and Provenza. And just over there is the Golden Mile. That glass building right there is on the Golden Mile, and about 8 blocks from that building are 2 of the biggest malls in Medellin. As you can see over there, a bar fridge built in, a wine fridge, doesn't come with a fridge, but it's got ample space for a big double door fridge right there. Okay. As I said, it's got the built-in coffee machine. So you can grab your coffee in the morning and head on over to the patio. Again, open plan kitchen. And then back here, this could be a 3rd bedroom or a super big pantry. But this is the space for the washer and dryer, or for a built-in staff. These are typically in Medellin. The third bedroom is a space for a maid or someone who comes daily and helps out with all the household chores. So traditionally, that's what this space is here. All right, let's head over to the master or principal bedroom. As I said, we've got aircon in the bedrooms and a beautifully renovated rain shower. Actually, this shower even has, as you can see, right here, a bench seat. For those times when you're tuckered out and just need to sit down in the shower. Beautiful his and hers sinks. And a very generous sized principal bedroom closet. So this is the size of one of my bedrooms in my old apartment in Vancouver. But here in Medellin, this is a walk-in closet. Very nice. Very generous sized master bedroom. All right, let's see the second bedroom. Again, a very nice size. Got a little alcove here. I guess this could also be closed in for closet space, or you could put a desk there. And this room also has aircon, which is sometimes much needed now in Medellin. 15 years ago when I came here, not as much, but it's a little warmer now in the city. Look at this. This is the second bathroom. This apartment is like having two master bedrooms. Beautifully done. Rain shower here also, and then over here is your closet right in the bathroom. I really like how they've done the renovation to this apartment. They've done a really nice job. All right, let's take one more look at the living room here. And then over here, where you have your wine fridge, would be dining room space. One last look at this generous sized kitchen. And one more look at the patio. All right, this is Ian again from Nomad Crib, helping you find your happy place abroad. Have an amazing day.